हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सीसी टेक सॉल्यूशन में। आज की वीडियो में बताने वाला हूँ एसक्यूएल सर्वर के ट्यूटोरियल में एसक्यूएल रिलेटेड ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन। नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर द स्टार्ट टुडे वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ द SQL. SQL stands for SQL Query Language. Here the second option is right option. Now let's move for the next questions. Which of the following is not a valid SQL type? The first is a float, second is a numeric, third is a decimal, and fourth is a character. Third option is a character. SQL is not a value SQL type. Now let's move for the which of the following is not a DDL command. The first option is a truncate, second is alter, fourth is a third is a create, fourth is a update. Now here is the fourth option is right option, not a DDL command. Next question, which of the following are TCL command? First option is a commit and rollback, fourth is a update and truncate, third is a select and insert, fourth is a grant and revoke. First option is right option to TCL command, commit and rollback. Now let's move for the next question. Which statement is used to delete all row in a table without having a log action? First is a delete and second is remove, and third is a drop, and fourth is a truncate. Here the fourth option is a right option to without having logged, it can delete all the row from the table. Now let's move for the next question. So SQL view are also known as the virtual table. It is a right option to second is a right option to. Next question is SQL views are also known as virtual table. It is a next. It is a second option is a right option for the SQL views. Now let's move for the next question. So how many primary key can have in a table? Only one primary key can have a table. Now let's move for the next question. Which data type can store unstructured data in a column? Now let's first is a character, and second is a raw, and third is a numeric, fourth is a varchar. Second option is a right option. It is not a it can be store unstructured data. Raw second option is a right option. It can be store the unstructured data. Now let's move for the next questions. Which of the following is not conflict in SQL? Now first is a primary key, second is a not null, third is a check, fourth is a union. Fourth option is a right option. It is not a conflict in SQL. Now let's move for the next question. Which of the following is not a valid aggregate function? First is a count, second is a compute, third is a sum, fourth is a max. Second is a right option. It is not a valid aggregate function. Now let's move for the next question. Which data manipulation command is used to combine the record from one or more table? First option is select, second is a project, third is a join, and fourth is a product. Third option is a right option to combine a record more or one or more tables. Now let's move for the next question. Which operator is used to compare a value to a specified list of value? First is any, second option is a between, third is a all, and fourth is in. It is right option of the fourth option. It is here the specified value, whatever it present in a column, it is fetch all the data from the table. Now let's move for the next option. Next question is what operator test column for absence of data? First is a not operator, second is a exist operator, and third is null operator, fourth is none of above. Third is a right option is null. Now let's move for the next questions. Now let's move for the next question. In which of the following cases DML statement is not executed? First is when existing row unmodified, when a table is deleted, when some row are deleted, all of the above. Second is right option to when a table is not. Now let's move for the next question. If we have not specified ask ACDC after a SQL order by clause, the following is used by default. First is DSC, and second is AC. Third is often is there is no default value. Fourth is none of the mention. Second is right option. It is a by default. It is a by default order by the data whenever we not specified. Now let's move to the next questions. Which of the following statement is true? Truncate can free the table while delete does not. Both truncate and delete statement free the space, free the table space, and both truncate and delete statement does not free the table space. Next is delete free and table space while truncate does not. And first is the right option of the following is true. Truncate free the table space while delete does not. Now let's move for the next questions. A command that lets you change one or more field in a table is first is a insert, second is a modify, third is a lookup, and fourth is a all of the above. Second is a right option. Second is right option to modify the whatever we want to change that one or more field in a table. Now let's move for the next question. Which of the following is also called a inner join? First is self join, second is a equijoin, third is a non-equijoin, fourth is a none of above. Second is a right option. It is also called a equijoin. Natural join, inner join, also called a equijoin. Following is true. The having clause, similar to where clause but is used for column rather than groups. Similar to where clause but is used row and rather than column. Similar to where clause but is used for group rather than row. And fourth, exactly like where clause. Third is the right option. Similar to where clause but is used for group rather than rows. Now let's move to the next questions. Dash clause create a temporary relation for the query on which it's defined. First is a with, second is a from, third is a where, fourth is a flagged. First is a right option. With clause create a temporary relation for the query on which it's defined. Now let's move for the next of questions. Dash command make the updates performed by the transaction permanent in database. First is a rollback, second is a commit, third is a truncate, delete, fourth is a delete. If second is the right option to commit the data all of the in whenever we want to permanent save the data in a database. Now let's move for the next questions. Which command is used to change the definition of a table in SQL? First is a create, second is update, third is alter, and fourth flag. Third is the right option to change the definition in a table in a SQL. Now let's move for the next question. Which types of join is used to return row and do not have matching value? First is a natural join, third is a outer join, fourth is a equijoin, fifth is a all of above. Second is the right option. It is return the all the data do not have whatever is not matching the data. Now let's move for the next question. Which of the following is the basic approach for joining table? First is a union join, second is a natural join, and third is a subquery, fourth is a all of above. Fourth is a right option to basic approach for joining table. Now let's move for the next option. Next questions. Dash is not a type of concept in SQL language. First is a from foreign key, primary key, unique key, alternate key. Fourth is the right option. Is not a type of alternate key is not a type of concept in SQL language. Now let's move for the next question. Dash is a program that perform some common action on database. The data also is stored in the database. First is a stored procedure, second is a trigger, third is a stored function, and fourth is none of above. First is right option is a program that performs the some action on database data also stored in a database. Now let's move for the next questions. Which of the following operator can be used with the multiple rows subquery? First is a equal, second is a between, third is a not in, fourth is a not equal. Third is a right option to use the with the multiple rows subquery. Now let's move for the next questions. Dash is the constant that can be defined only at the column level. First is a unique, second is a not null, third is a check, and fourth is a primary key. Second is a right option is not null is a constant that can be defined only at the column level. Thank you for watching my video. I will meet you next time.